Hi folks, let's talk about vision center. What I've done here is I've lined up 5 balls in the middle of the table and I've got them centered between 2 cue sticks. Alright, so I just rolled the cues right up against the balls and made sure that all of those balls were nice and straight. Okay? Get the idea? Alright, now I'm going to walk around here. Move the cues out of the way, and what I have students do is get very low on the table, eyes just above the rail, and sight down these lines of balls with both eyes open. You don't want to squint, you don't want to wink, both eyes are open. You can go back and forth slightly and then stop when you're convinced that all those balls are lined up absolutely straight. Sometimes it's helpful to use the reflection of the light on the tops of the balls. So for me, if I do that, my vision center turns out to be right there. It's just to the left of the bridge of my nose, okay? The concept of dominant eye doesn't mean anything in pool. So if somebody tells you hold the cue under the dominant eye, that's ridiculous. The brain determines the vision center, okay? So what I've done here is I've determined the vision center. My dominant eye is my right eye, but my vision center is here. And very often, 9 times out of 10, I've worked with players who had, let's say, a right dominant eye, but their vision center is nowhere near the pupil of the right eye. It could be, just to the right of the bridge of their nose, but it's not directly under their dominant eye. So vision center is what's really important here. And that tells you where to hold your head. Okay? It's got to be vertically over, vertically in line, your vision center vertically in line with the shot line. And this tells you where it needs to be. Okay? So practice that. And avoid doing something like, where's my thumb, and this closes one eye, and this jumps that way. That may determine what your dominant eye is, but it has no bearing on what your vision center is in terms of pool. Okay? This is Mark Powell, Cue Master Pool School. Thanks for watching.